Ladies and gentlemen, a lot of times when Steph, the producer, arrives at the Crumb Boss factory here, she has no idea what the Crumb Boss has in store. And all of a sudden, she just took this out and said, oh, I'm going to show everybody how to make this. This is something absolutely beautiful and magical. Crumb Boss, what is it?
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here. Sometimes when I walk into a Crumb Boss factory, I don't really know what's going to happen either. Please, don't even get me started.
Yeah, you still got that sign up. Yeah, go.
These are cherry pie cupcakes, guys.
Cherry pie cupcakes.
Don't they look like cherry pies?
They do. Look, can you hold one up for our viewers?
Yeah, sure.
Now look at this. It's a cherry pie, and inside is cherries.
Yeah, that's usually what's inside a cherry pie.
Oh, okay. It's a cherry pie cupcake.
Yeah.
All right.
So we're just kind of playing on that theme. It's not actually a pie. It is
Yes.
a cupcake, and it is made with cupcakes and vanilla buttercream, but I am filling my cupcakes with cherry pie filling.
How did you do that?
Well, I'm going to show you. So basically, guys, you need your cupcakes first. You need your recipe for vanilla buttercream, which is all found on crumbboss.com. This is another building on recipes recipe, so you're not actually going to find cherry pie cupcakes on my blog, but you will find the recipe for vanilla cake and Swiss buttercream. So go ahead and make those two recipes first, and then we're going to proceed like this.
Can we make blueberry pie next week?
Yeah, well, you can make, like I was going to say that, instead if you guys don't like cherry, you could do blueberry pie filling. You can pretty much use whatever you like. I went and I bought the canned cherry preserves.
Okay.
You know, cherry pie filling in a can at all the supermarkets, you know.
Yes,
Use
exactly.
that.
But how did you get that technique?
Well, here, I'm going to show you what I wanted to do. I have my Swiss buttercream in my pastry bag fitted with the star tip. We're going to use your pastry bag with the star tip.
Okay.
And what we have to do first is sort of build up a little foundation, because that's where we're going to put the cherry pie filling inside that little,
circle.
you know, like the
hole.
Yeah, exactly. Just want to build that up just a little bit like that.
All right.
And then what I'm going to do, you can't really overdo this.
No.
Oh, that's going to fall.
Okay.
But this is how I did it. And then I stuffed it with the cherry compote, the cherry pie filling.
Yes.
And then...
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and then what I have to do is switch out my tip to the basket weave tip that's also found in the cake decorating kit.
I think these are beautiful. Why didn't you... What took you so long to make these? What have you been doing?
You have no idea what I've got up my sleeve.
No, I don't. Gretchen amazes me.
It never ends, guys.
I comment her
We never run out of ideas.
So now look what she does.
This is the lattice top.
Yes. Oh, wow.
Okay.
That's cool.
And then what I did was just take the same tip and do like a little ruffly back and forth motion to simulate the crimping edge that we do whenever we make a pie shell, right, guys? There you have it.
That's cool. That's really cool.
And you know what? It tastes really good too, because who doesn't like, who doesn't like cherries and vanilla and buttercream? Like, it's fabulous.
So here we have it, the cherry pie vanilla cupcakes made by the Crumb Boss. Again, get all your recipes on crumbboss.com, and you know, go on the Amazon link there and buy you know, stuff because you want to spend money. And do whatever you want.
And then share your creations with us on Facebook.
Yeah, the big Facebook page.
Yeah, not the Imposter Facebook page.
Yeah, there's some loser that's out there posting as the Crumb Boss, and I hate to tell you,
you know what?
You might get a big fat lawsuit. Okay, don't think a lot of people know about that one yet.
Imitation is the highest form of flattery, but don't be fooled, guys. Our page, the real Crumb Boss page, is a really great page on Facebook.
It is, like 13,000 fans.
Yeah, not those other lame pages. So make sure you get to the right one.
Yeah, so if you're the Spanish guy with the face who did it, there's some country.
Yeah, it's a Spanish page that's posting as Crumb Boss, and it's not the real page, guys.
That's not. And you know what? When
you'll know you're there.
And when you get arrested next week, don't blame us.
Yeah.
Okay. Welcome to Cherry Pie.
Welcome to Cherry Pie.
Cherry Pie with the Crumb Boss. Hey, ow, ooh. I got a pain in my side.
What, you got an appendicitis attack?
No, I don't. No. It felt like I got stung by a bee. Cherry pie.
You're so sweet like cherry pie, Gretchen. Come on, come on, Gretchen.
I wish I had a camera.
Right.
Because just to see the things you do on the other side of
Oh, you want to do? I'll get you one, and you can film it.
Film you.
Yeah.
You should see it. Guys.
What? Tell them what it's like.
Oh, my foot. She's like this. While I'm standing here filming, going, come on.
Gretchen. All right, there we go. Cherry pie. You want to bake it? Feel free to.
Do whatever you want. We don't care.
Do whatever you want. We don't care.